Red Day is our day of giving back. We host Red Day the second Thursday of every May, and it's our National Keller Williams Day of giving back to our communities. It's a cultural holiday for us. Red Day stands for Renew, Energize, and Donate. Red Day started as a recognition to our cultural icon, Mo Anderson. They really run the gamut, anything from refurbishing houses and beautifying beaches to food pantries, blood drives, anything that serves and gives back to our local communities. This year we're working with 4 organizations locally. We're working with Senior Home Sharing in both Lombard and Wheaton. They provide low-cost living for seniors, and we're doing some landscaping and maintenance for them. We're working with People's Resource Center in Wheaton. They're a fantastic organization that provides food pantry to homeless people and people in need, as well as some technology training and education. And we're also working with DuPage Animal Shelter, giving lots of love to those doggies, and helping them improve their dog walks and some pet and animal toys. And we are also working with Outreach Community Center, doing some landscaping and maintenance for them. They work with, they have a lot of youth development programs, as well as transitional housing for families in need.